This is John with WTI. And this is the food that I've been giving to my little dog Noah for the past month. This is the Diamond Natural small and medium breed dog food. And this one has a good taste and flavor for him. How do I know? Right now he's right here in the bottom asking for food and he's gonna drop the tripod maybe. So the fact that it's like easy to digest for him, he's never had a problem digesting this food because it's like really small little bites. So it helps him not to eat big chunks all the time. And it's have been staying keeping him really strong. It pulls me a lot while we go out. And at the same time, he just loves it because every single time he's about to go and eat, it's like the highlight of the day for him. It has this nice flavor for him of rice and chicken, and every single time that he goes and eat it is awesome for him. And it's keeping him strong, it's keeping like his skin and his hair for his experience really nice. People always compliment him because it looks strong, tight, and like he's well treated. With this food, pretty sure he is. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.